One of Journey's favorite dish is grilled cheese, and today Daddy is teaching her how to make it. She put the bread on by herself. She sprinkled the cheese onto the top of the bread. She put the other bread on top, and we're gonna flip it over. Right, daughter?
Right.
And we have some carrots to go with it. And we use a nice little mixture of cheese here. And we got some grapes.
Yeah.
We're gonna add a few goldfish to it. So we're gonna flip it over. All right, that's great.
Flip it over. Flip it over now.
Flip it over. Flip it over now. All right. So you got the spatula right there. You grab it, and we're gonna do it together. All right.
Right.
You flip. Oh. Hold on. Flip it over. And pat it down a little bit. All right. So we're gonna turn up the heat some, because we want to make sure it gets nice and brown on top. All right. But you did that all by yourself. So good job, daughter, cooking your own lunch. Okay, we're getting ready to flip it one more time.
Yeah.
Grab the spatula, you got it? All right. Ooh, look at you. Let's slide it right. Oh, hold on. Let's slide it back some. There you go. Good job. There you go. You have it? Flip it. Oh, that looks good, Journey. Oh, my daughter. Pat it down a little bit. Set the spatula to the side. That looks good. So we're going to wait about another 45 seconds ago or so. You see the cheese is melted on it. Then we're going to put it on your plate and we're going to add it to the goldfish and the grapes. And we'll get Justice's bottle going and my daughter will be ready to eat. And you're doing it all yourself. Okay, the proof is in the pudding, my daughter. You made your own grilled cheese. It looks delicious. All right, enjoy. Cheers.
Cheers.